Severe Weather Awareness Week continues this week with today's topics being watches and warnings and how to report severe weather to the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm watches and tornado watches are issued by the Storm Prediction Center when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather or tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings are issued by your National Weather Service here in Shreveport when severe thunderstorms or tornadoes are imminent, either as indicated by Doppler radar or when observed and reported by reliable sources such as Skywarn storm spotters. Your local National Weather Service office is interested in your severe weather reports. We want you to let us know anytime you observe tornadoes, large hail, strong winds, flash flooding, or any weather-related storm damage. The Shreveport office covers 21 counties in eastern Texas, 1 county in southeast Oklahoma, 9 counties in southwest Arkansas, and 17 parishes in northern and central Louisiana. You can report severe weather for these counties and parishes in a number of ways. You can submit a storm report on the homepage of the National Weather Service Shreveport at www.weather.gov/SHB/. Report through our Facebook page and Twitter page at National Weather Service Shreveport. You can call the National Weather Service office at 1-800-922-1386. You can call our county or parish sheriff's office and relay your report to them. We will need to know the type of severe weather observed, the location, and the time it occurred. Your help is greatly appreciated when it comes to reporting severe weather across the 4-state region, as it allows us to the generation of additional watches and warnings across our region.